is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Well, we have seen a few rounds of severe thunderstorms as expected today. The one that moved across the security area this afternoon around 2 o'clock did produce hailstones in excess of 1.5 inches in diameter. If you were able to safely capture any video or photos, please send them into the newsroom. We'll share them with the viewers coming up tonight at 10. This photo comes in from the Canyon City area just about an hour ago when Anthony captured that marble-size hail. And this was a beautiful photo, not from Canyon City, forgot to change the banner. This was in southwestern Colorado, Silos at sunset, sent in by June Bloom's Photography. Now, not done just yet, folks, with the severe weather threat. I think those of us across the I-25 corridor, our storms are beginning to wind down. Saw them a little earlier in the day than expected, but I would say through 9-10 o'clock, the eastern plains will be under the gun for rounds of active, strong, severe thunderstorms. Could see hail in some spots in excess of 1 to 2 inches in diameter, and those damaging wind gusts, which could damage rooftops or some of those silos, could be gusting in excess of 60 to 70 miles per hour. So again, let me show you where the action is right now. Notice how quiet things are from Denver through Castle Rock into the Gap. The Springs hasn't seen much action over the past couple of hours, but still seeing a few storms out there firing up out towards parts of Fremont County, moving into western parts of Pueblo County. But that big cluster of storms, the one that is a severe thunderstorm, is now moving east into eastern parts of the county and out into western parts of Custer County. Strongest part of the storm well south of Highway 50. It's this pink and this gray core that we're concerned about. That is the part of the storm that usually produces the largest, most damaging and destructive hail. So we're going to monitor that closely for you. If we have to cut into programming and approach some of our more populated areas, we will certainly do that here at News 5. Right now, 87 degrees in the spring, some of the warmest air we've seen in Colorado Springs today coming into play this evening. 90 in Pueblo. Look at Lamar, 101. 97 La Junta, 90 in Walsenburg. As we look ahead to your Monday forecast, a very similar outlook expected with dry skies early, mountain storms developing around the lunch hour, and then anything pushing off the mountains will start to fire up and develop anytime between 2 and 5 p.m. So mostly clear to partly cloudy in the morning with some leftover clouds. Here comes those mountain waves of rain. We get a little weak disturbance that helps to destabilize the atmosphere. Don't think we'll see quite the amount of thunderstorm activity on Monday, but still the potential that some of those storms could develop and become on the severe side, especially east of I-25 out towards those Colorado-Kansas border counties. Lows tonight dropping down to the lower 60s for Rye and the Springs, 67 for Pueblo and Canyon City. Highs tomorrow are going to be very hot, triple digits in the lower Arkansas River Valley, mid to upper 80s in Monument, and 90s back into play around Canyon City and the Springs. Cold front does move in Tuesday, maintaining the chance for daily thunderstorms here at least through Wednesday, if not Thursday. Also knocks us down a few degrees with more comfortable temperatures for the middle of the week. Pueblo will see highs dropping down to the lower 90s Wednesday, then back up to the upper 90s by Friday and Saturday. Canyon City, a little cool down on the way here with near daily rain chances pretty much in play over the next 7 days. And for Woodland Park, not just near daily, Andy, daily rain chances here. So just keep an eye on the sky, and especially in those mountain areas, try to get the outside activities done, the recreational stuff,